What's up, guys? Cal Snyder here. We're out here at the Glass Onion Netflix movie premiere, and I'm the pilot for Beverly Hills Aerials today. Keep your eye out for some drone footage.
Watching it tonight for the third time, and I can't wait, which never happened ever for me.
Ryan was basically like, do you want to come to adult summer camp in Greece with unserious people and maybe we'll make a movie on the side? I was like, I'm in.
Real sense of what it was until I saw it put together. And then, of course, I really admire the movie. Obviously, people loved it.
Game-changing, life-changing, special experiences that you would just never forget as a performer or as a person.
I just hope that people enjoy it.
Make some time, pop some popcorn, and watch this movie. You won't regret it.